Now hello everyone, you can see here you have to identify A, B, C, D till F, okay, in the following reaction chain. Now how will you identify the product? First of all, you start with this is the reactant we have, and now see, in the presence of alcoholic KOH, A is formed. That means आपको थोड़ा याद होना चाहिए, अगर ये अल्कोहलिक है तो यहाँ पे जो ये वाला हाइड्रोजन है, ये अल्फ़ा हाइड्रोजन जो होगा ये निकल जाएगा अलॉन्ग विद द ब्रोमीन, एंड यहाँ पे एक डबल बॉन्ड का फॉर्मेशन होगा. ठीक है, तो this will due to the removal of this bond, and this bromine will be out, and the product you get is this one. Okay, then in the next step, once you get this A as the product, the A, that means you will have the product as CH3 C double bond CH2, and here you have CH3, right? Now here you have HBr. Now it is a plain HBr, right? Hydrogen bromide. So in this case what will happen, if you move this bond this side, you will have CH3 C plus CH2 minus, and here you have CH3. Now this bromine being negatively charged, this hydrogen positively charged, this bromine will attack this carbocation being very stable. You know it is a 3-degree carbocation, and this hydrogen will be placed here. As a result, you will get the 2-bromo 2-methyl propane. Next we have, in the same product, if you add sodium dry ether, you can see the product will be this one. That means the same molecule will undergo dimerization, and this product is going to get formed. Now once you get C, we can see here we have a D also. Now see, here you have a CH2Br, no Mg. For the formation of D, here the reagent given is Mg. तो यहाँ पे आप क्या करेंगे, Br के साथ Mg लग जाएगा, and the product will be this one, D. Now the next, for E, in the D if you put water, तो basically it does the hydrolysis, और ये MgBr will replaced with the OH. Okay, and in the F number, that is this one. From here, once you add, it is basically your sodium ethoxide. So once you add this, what will happen, this bromine will replaced with the Na, and this OET group will be attached here. Okay, as a result you get the product as CH3CH CH2, here also CH3, here you have OCH2 CH3 part.